Alright guys, so we are here for the first time to see the coffin. I actually haven't seen it yet. I'm so excited and welcome back to my channel, Meg Victoria. If you're new, welcome, hello. Today I've partnered with Rimmel London. We're kind of going for like zombie vibes, but keeping it really, you know, sexy, pretty, and cute. I'm going to be showing you how we get this look super easy, boom, 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 step by step with the Rimmel London Halloween collection. So we've got like some tattoos, which, you know, we can see the cool stitching. Got the metallic lip, a metallic wing eyeliner. There's so many fun things. So let's get into the video. I really hope you guys enjoy. And if this is up your alley, then please just keep on watching. It is so weird to smile as a zombie. I just can't do it. I just can't. I'm gone. Alright guys, so let's get started. So we have our base makeup done. Basically, I just took the lightest foundation shade. I put it all over my face and I am uncomfortably pale right now. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is really create those shadows in the face. You kind of want to give yourself like a gaunt look, like you want to suck in the cheekbones, make it all very chiseled and angled out. So what I like to do as to start off is I actually go in with my brow color. So I'm just using my brow this way and I'm picking up a little bit of that product. And what this is going to do, usually brow tones are made very neutral, so it's a really great way to ensure you have a nice like neutral taupey shade to really get like a good chisel going on. So first we'll start at the cheekbones, and you can see how you have a nice cool tone color. Because this is Halloween, you're definitely going to go a little bit more dramatic with it. We aren't trying to, you know, go for a nice natural contour. Like, we really want to chisel out our face and give ourselves like a costume look. Also, we do have tattoos to lay down later, so you can make this a little thicker and a little bit more dramatic. So don't worry about that. Alright, so I'm just going to take this kind of into the temple area. So right at that temple and kind of sweep it back. This is like when you do a skull makeup. This is the area you kind of sink back as well. And just slowly kind of build it up so you get a nice shadow. Alright, next what we want to do is take a little bit more of that, but I'm just going to take a little bit more of a precise brush. So now you're really going to just take that shadow, and for once you're going to fill in your under eye circles. Instead of trying to brighten them, we're going to fill them in, give us a nice like sunken in look. And instead of just putting it all over the under eyes, you're really kind of following the bone structure and following kind of the shape of your eye. But I'm also going to connect it right in that inner corner. It's kind of going to furrow the brow a little bit. This is like kind of like Buffy the Vampire Slayer vibes. And we're just going to kind of fill that gap in. Then we just take the shadow and run it slightly down the nose just to really kind of chisel that area out too. This is very like pretty vibe. So I'm even just going to take a little bit more of that shadow and kind of just like pounce it. Because I just want this to be kind of very like undone, right? Okay, so our first layer of beautifulness. Alright, so next we're going to go into our Smoke Edition eyeshadow palette. So in this guy we've got all of our kind of like smoky grays, blacks, all those good things, you know. Alright, so what we want to do is I want to deepen this up because it's like, it's intense. I'm looking at it in the mirror. I know it's intense, but we want a little bit more. It is Halloween, so we're going to grab a little bit of the dark brown, a little bit of the guy beside it, and just kind of mix it together. So you're kind of going to get now a like gray dark brown. So we just take that nice mixture and we're going to blend that kind of in the center part of where we have the shadowing. So the shadowing of the brown is kind of a little bit thicker, and this is really just kind of going to pinpoint that chisel and really, you know, sink in those cheeks. And just to soften, you can just take your brush and blend. Then we'll do the exact same for the under eyes. So with that mixture, right at that tip of the brush, it's just going to really kind of fill in. And that's why this look is so easy to recreate, because it is just kind of like playing with a regular shape. And what I want to do is really kind of round that inner corner with the deepness as well. Okay, so now that we've created all this very like Buffy shadowing, we're going to go and just take this very light white vanilla color as our highlight. If we were to use a regular highlight, it still has a little bit too much warmth where it's going to look like, you know, a sparkly color on your face, where we really want just kind of white. So we'll just take that and apply that to our highlight. And then, because I'm me, a little nose bridge, a little tip of the nose, and a little Cupid's bow. And this highlighting is really going to also bring forward the cheeks and really like structure the face even more. Now I'm going to take even a smaller brush. I just want to do a tiny bit more detailing, so I'll just take that same mixture, but again it's on a smaller brush, and I'm just going to take that and just kind of drag that underneath the eyes. And I'm just tapping because I want to create a shadow and I don't want it to ever look like I drew like a quote unquote line. And then I'll just take that little bit of a bigger brush just to blend. So we have layers of depth to the shadows, which is like really, really pretty. Did I just say pretty? I did, but you know what I mean. Okay, so to start off the eyes, we're going to go back into our brow shade because we just kind of want to create, again, the structure in the eye look. So just make sure your concealer's like tapped out. Then I'm just going to run this into my crease. Okay, so just like so, and then we're going to go in with, guess what, that same mixture. So we'll just take that deep brown with that dark gray, mix those together, and pop that in the outer corner now. I'm just going to kind of lightly blend up and out. Before we get too ahead, I'm going to just take a little bit of that white, place that on the brow bone just to kind of soften the whole top. And for our inner corner, all we're really going to do is just take a little bit of that white again, just with our finger, and we're just going to lay that in the inner corner. So once you have that laid down, we're going to just take in our crease colors a little bit just to kind of give our eye a little bit more definition. Kind of bring that in to round out the crease and eye shape. And then with your finger or with a brush, you can just blend in the shades just to make sure that white is blending with the other colors nice and seamlessly. Or even we could add like a pop of gray. That may be fun. Let's just do like a silvery gray, just for a little extra shimmer and fun. Ooh, yeah, that's pretty. Really gives that like smoky metallic vibes. And while we're at it, we're just going to take that same brown and black mixture, and I'm just going to run that all along my lower lash line just to get that nice smoky vibe going on. So this is separate from our dark circles. This is our smoky eye. Oh Lord. Do we feel beautiful, or do we feel beautiful? I'm just saying. So, one of our exciting Halloween launches is the Ink Me liner. So, we're going to give this a shake. And this is a really fun, like, black, and then it has, like, glitter in it. So, it's just, like, so fun for Halloween. So, I'm super excited to use that. So, let's do a nice little wing. Ooh, look at that wing. Yes, girl. I'm really thickening this up because this is Halloween. It's like, Halloween is the one time a year you can go all out. You can do whatever you want. Look at that metallic wing. Like, hello. Hello. Alright, so while that dries, let's do the other eye. Look at that metallic goodness. Holla. While that dries down, I'm just going to go put on mascara, finish up the eyes, and I'll be right back to finish with the lips. The lips. We are not Dracula, but you know, maybe we'll be Dracula. Okay, lips, like I said. Bye. Alright, so the eyes are finished. I feel much more sexy zombie vibes than before, but it's all good. So now we're going to take the Stay Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in pitch black because, well, it is pitch black. Shocking, right? Alright, so we're going to take this, we're going to apply this to our lips, and we're going to really just complete this look. Alright, so we have our pitch black lip on, and it's the perfect base because our next product is called this Lip Art. It's like a metallic liquid lipstick. It's so cool, but it's super metallic, and it's just going to give us such a shiny look. I'm so excited with like the metallic eyeliner. We got like a whole vibe going on. It's a whole thing. I'll stop talking and I'll just do this. Oh my god, yes, that's so good. Alright, so if you thought we were done there, well, like, you can be done whenever you want, but you know, we're gonna keep going. So, we have this really cute, okay, look how cute this is. It's like a little stamp pen, so again, it's in the Ink Me line, and it's a little star, and I thought it'd be so cute to have like a little Medusa piercing. I'm super obsessed with Medusa piercings. Maybe one day I'll get one, but until then, every time I like go out, I always like put one on like with a jewel if I'm like going to a festival, and I'm like, we can do it. So we're gonna do one. I think it'd be super cute. Hopefully I don't mess this up. But oh my god, stop. That's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. Oh my god, that's so cute. I'm feeling that. Oh my god, I'm feeling that. Okay. So I'm feeling fab, but we're not done yet. I know, shocking. Look at these. These are actually the coolest tattoos. I got to use these a couple months ago, and I swear it did not come off my wrist for like a week. So I already know these are bomb. I use the moons because I think these moons are so cool. But today we're gonna use these stitches, and we're gonna like really chisel out those cheekbones like with some stitches. You know, we're just gonna like do it. It's gonna be great. So let's open these guys up. Alright, so to complete the look, all we're going to do is we're going to take these stitches. So first, let's cut them out. So as much as I do have a giant face, we all know this, we're not going to use the whole thing. We're going to go 3 in and cut there. So all we have to do is peel the backing off. We're going to line it up on our face and really use your face to help you. Like, use your bone structure, see where it needs to line up, because it'll help you the most. Alright, so we'll just leave that on the face. And we'll lay this on the face and just try and keep it as symmetrical as you can. Okay, so when you're happy with the placement and you think, you know, they're pretty symmetrical, you're good with it, all I'm going to do is just take my sponge and I'm just going to spray it with some water. Super easy. You also can obviously like use a rag, but I'm just going to kind of press the water on the tattoo. Just hold it. And you'll see now why we needed to make our contour so intense, because now our tattoo will fit perfectly in that crevice. Alright, so now that we have our stitches, what I like to do is just kind of take a little bit of my powder, and I just kind of, I'm going to pop that on top, and I'll just kind of blend it on top of the skin as well. And then you can go back into your smoke palette and just kind of like amp up the contouring if you'd like, just shading around the stitch. I'll just blend it all together. Another option if you want is you can put the stitches on before you start the makeup. Then you're just kind of like blending around your foundation and everything, and then that can kind of be annoying, but that's like up to you. But I love this, so cool. That like silver metallic stitches. Oh my god, are we done? I think we're done. Alright guys, so here we have our final look. I love it, and honestly, like, how easy was it to create? Like, it was a little shadowing, you know, a little smoky eye, some liner, and a lip, and like, bing, bang, boom, we're good to go. You know, you add the little extra, like, little tattoo, you make it kind of cute, give it your own personality, your own flair, but really, like, this look, honestly, without me filming, it probably could have taken me 20 minutes, easily. Then, you know, you've got, like, some type of little black dress, a cute top, you've got a whole vibe, you're, like, sexy, you're cute, but you're, like, a little, you know, scary and rawr. I don't even know. But anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much to Rimmel for partnering with me for today's look, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.